you awake?
Yes, I'm awake. What's wrong, Sarah?
I don't feel well this morning.
Oh, no. What's bothering you?
I think I'm getting sick.
What kind of sickness do you feel?
My head hurts a lot.
A headache?
Yes, a really strong headache.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I woke up many times.
Why did you wake up?
My throat felt dry and painful.
You have a sore throat too?
Yes, it hurts when I swallow.
That sounds uncomfortable.
It really is.
Do you have a fever?
I'm not sure.
Let me touch your forehead.
Okay.
You feel warm.
Do you think I have a temperature?
Probably, yes.
I don't like being sick.
Nobody does, my love.
My nose is blocked too.
You sound congested.
I'm breathing through my mouth.
That's tiring.
Yes, I feel so weak.
You should rest.
I will, but I think I need help.
What kind of help?
Maybe I should visit the doctor.
That might be a good idea.
But I don't want to go alone.
I'll go with you.
Really?
Of course.
Thank you.
When did these symptoms start?
Last night, after dinner.
Did you eat something strange?
I don't think so.
Did you drink enough water?
Maybe not.
That could be part of the problem.
My body aches too.
Your whole body?
Yes, especially my back.
It sounds like the flu.
I hope not.
Let's check the thermometer.
Okay,
Put it under your arm.
I am.
Wait for the beep.
It's beeping now.
Let me see. Oh, 38.5 degrees Celsius.
That's high, right?
Yes, it's a fever.
I knew it.
We should go to the clinic.
Can we go now?
Yes, just let me get ready.
Thank you.
Do you need help getting dressed?
Maybe, just with my sweater.
Sure, I'll help you.
My arms feel heavy.
I'm here,
Thank you for being patient.
always.
Should I bring my medical card?
Yes, bring it.
And my water bottle?
Definitely. Stay hydrated.
Okay.
Let's go slowly.
I feel dizzy.
Hold my hand.
I am.
Walk carefully.
The light hurts my eyes.
I'll turn it off.
Thanks.
Are you okay in the car?
I think so.
Tell me if you feel worse.
I will.
We're almost there.
I'm glad.
The clinic isn't busy today.
That's good.
I'll register your name.
Thank you.
Sit here and rest.
I'm sitting.
Do you want some warm water?
Yes. Please.
Here you go.
My throat feels a little better.
That's good to hear.
How long do we wait?
Maybe 10 minutes?
Okay. Sarah? Yes, that's me.
Let's go.
Hello. What seems to be the problem? I feel sick, doctor. What symptoms do you have? Fever, headache, sore throat, and body aches. How long have you had them? Since last night. Any cough? A little. Any trouble breathing? Just because my nose is blocked. I see. Let me check your temperature. Okay. Yes, you have a fever. Now, open your mouth, please. Your throat is red. Is it serious? Not serious, but it is an infection. Oh, I'll also listen to your breathing. Sure. Deep breath in and out. Good. It looks like the flu. The flu? Yes, but nothing dangerous.
What should she do, doctor?
She needs rest, warm fluids, and medicine. What kind of medicine? I'll give you fever medicine and throat tablets. Thank you. Avoid cold drinks. I will. And eat soft, warm food. Okay, come back if your fever gets higher. I understand.
Thank you, doctor.
Take care of her.
I will.
Let's go home.
Yes, let's go.
I feel a little better now.
I'm glad.
Thank you for taking care of me.
Always, my love.
I'm lucky to have you.
And I'm lucky to have you too.
Let's go home and rest.
Yes, you need good rest.
I'll take my medicine.
I'll make you some warm soup.
That sounds wonderful.
You'll feel better soon.
I hope so.
I'm right here with you.
Thank you.